Two persons have died in a motor vehicle accident along the Braco Main Road in Trelawney. The accident occurred close to 5 p.m. between a truck and a motor car, which had a collision. This collision left two male occupants in the car dead. Investigations are currently ongoing. A vehicle overturned on Red Hills Road in St. Andrew today. The police later advised members of the populace that a section of Red Hills Road in the vicinity of Perkins Boulevard in St. Andrew was impassable due to a vehicle that overturned on the road. The section of the road was close to the foot of Red Hills. Motorists were asked to use alternative routes along Queens Hill in the parish of St. Andrew.